everyone, and welcome to my channel. I couldn't do that with a straight face. Oh my gosh, that sounded so cliche. Today we're diving into something that's so much juicier than a lot of people want to admit. How influencers and content creators are making so much money. Now the reality is the average content creator makes between 60 to 80K a year for only 10 hours per week of work. And if you're thinking about leveling up your life and finding a way to turn your creativity into cash, this is your sign to start now. Because honestly, if I can do it, so can you. So let's break it all down. Here's exactly how much I make as someone who's been a full-time content creator for about a year and a half now. And let's be real, this isn't one of those, oh, look at how much money I make type of flex. This video is about giving you a roadmap so you can do the exact same. So we're gonna break this down by income stream from my smallest to my biggest. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see how you can start building these streams for yourself. But first, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I post videos on how to monetize, how to organize, how to stay productive, and ultimately how to turn your passion into profit. And you're just not gonna want to miss getting put on week over week. So let's jump into the video. So income stream number one, let's start small. I get paid from TikTok around $300 a month just to post videos. Now, is it a lot? No, but it's literally passive income from content that I already create. Go back. Now the key to making money on TikTok isn't just to post a ton of videos, to keep people watching your videos. So you need to make your videos at least a minute long to even qualify. And then on top of that, you need to hit your audience with a strong, super engaging hook within the first 5 seconds. If your viewer retention is low, your payout's gonna be just as low. So for example, instead of saying, today we're gonna be talking about skincare, you can make that intro way more engaging by saying something like, you're ruining your skincare routine by doing this one step, and let me show you how to fix it. Now you see how that made a difference? That sounded way more engaging than the first hook. Now if you need a little bit more help on hooks or intros or anything like that, I will link my guide in the comments to help you all out. It has over 200 downloads and it's worked for so many creators, and it's the method that I personally use as well. Now income stream number two is affiliate marketing, which brings in about $2,000 per month. It's basically getting a small commission whenever someone uses your link to buy a product. It's very low effort and the payouts can add up so fast. Now let me put you on. Here's where it gets super interesting. Every time I land a brand deal, I instantly sign up for their affiliate program. Why? Because even after the deal is done, I can continue to make money month over month. Every time somebody buys through my product link. If you haven't already, make sure to sign up for platforms like Magic Link or Amazon Associates or have an LTK store. And don't overthink it. Just start off with products that you naturally love and use day to day and incorporate them into your videos. For example, I make consistent monthly income for promoting services that I use every week like Adobe, Stand Store, and CapCut. It's super easy for me to integrate these services in my videos because, like I said, I use them every single day. Now we're getting into the good stuff. Between brand deals and UGC, I make around 4K a month. And here's the breakdown. I have one consistent UGC deal that pays me $500 a month. And then on top of that, I usually land like 2 to 3 brand deals per month, and the minimum for those are 3K. And so this is where I see so many creators leave money on the table. After every brand deal, I ask the brand, are they open to doing UGC work as well? And yes, that's in addition to me signing up for their affiliate program. Right now, I have 3 ongoing partnerships with brands that pay me consistently month over month. I've told you guys this before, but doing UGC is a complete game changer. You don't even need to have a big audience for it. Brands care way more about you creating content that actually converts. Next, we have income stream number 4. Now, this one is a lot more passive, but it's a part of my overall strategy. I earn around $1,000 per month from investments and savings accounts. This is not financial advice, but my personal rule of thumb is that anything that isn't necessarily a monthly expense gets funneled right into my high yield savings account or investments. Now, this isn't just about saving money, it's about growing money, whether it's through index funds, stocks, or if you're into it, even crypto. Passive income from investments is what sets you up for financial stability long term. And then finally, we have my biggest income stream, which is my Stand Store. And I know you guys have heard me talk about my Stand Store all the time. And the reason why I'm so passionate about it is because it literally changed my life. Between selling digital products and offering my coaching services and running my mentorship community, I bring in around 6 to 7K per month. Now, my pro tip here for anybody who sells digital products is to promote your stand store weekly. And when I say promote, I don't mean spam people. What I mean is showcase the value of what you're offering. For example, one of my digital products is my content planner. I have tons of videos showing people exactly how to use the planner. I tell them what the issues that they're currently facing with getting organized. I show them how my planner helps solve that issue when it comes to planning out your content and staying organized. And this builds trust between me and my audience, so it doesn't sound like I'm necessarily trying to sell them something. It sounds like a genuine friend just trying to put them on something to make their life a lot easier. If you're stuck with this and not necessarily sure how to start, check out my Making 8K a Month Selling Digital Products video, packed with actionable steps on how to get you going. So there you have it, exactly how I make money as a content creator and tips on how you can do the same. Now, if there's one thing I want you to take away from this video, is that you don't need millions of followers to turn content creation into a full-time gig. But hold up, the story isn't over yet. In my next video, I'm gonna be sharing with you how I went from being an attorney to a full-time content creator in 12 months. And spoiler alert, it's a freaking roller coaster ride. But trust me, you're not gonna wanna miss this. Now let me know in the comments if you have any questions on anything that I went over today, and I got you. And don't forget to like this video, share with a friend, and of course subscribe so you don't miss what's coming up next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in a couple days in the next video. Love you, bye.